My name is Scott Hassinger from Middleburg, Pennsylvania. For our environmental science video, I'm going to be just talking about how my family uses a wood stove to heat our house over the winter instead of using oils and coals. And the wood is actually better for the environment and uses a renewable resource instead of a non-renewable resource like the oil and the coal. A lot of critics of wood burners say that it's bad for the environment for us to be burning wood to heat our house because of the smoke that's emitted from the wood stove. The smoke that comes from the wood stove is really just coming from the wood being wet. And the wet pieces of wood, which often have a dark color in them, they're not properly dried. So that's really the wetness is what's causing the smoke, where a dry piece of wood, like this wood right here, is a good piece that isn't going to throw off a lot of smoke and really hurt the air quality outside. As you see the wood here, it's many different shapes and sizes. It's not perfectly straight pieces, such as a 2x4 like we have sitting right here. The pieces that are not refined or cut perfectly and look like they're kind of mossy and rotten a little bit, they are actually better to be used for this because they're mature trees that are not going to hurt the health of the forests that they come from. And when it's not hurting the health of the forest, it's not hurting the environment. So it's really not doing anything wrong by using the wood to heat. Also, the wood stoves are actually very environmental friendly and use very little wood. This is ours. It's a newer model from Central Boiler, and I can do the fire one day and it'll last up to 2, 3, sometimes 4 days depending on the weather outside. So 10 pieces of wood can heat my house for days instead of just continuously burning oils and coal and other non-renewable resources. And that is all I have for today. Thank you.